In this video, let me show you how to make a copy using your Epson ET-3950 or ET-3958 printer. This printer has two scanners that both can be used to make copies, so let's get started. If you're going to use the flatbed scanner over here, to input your paper, you're going to take it, you're going to put it facing down. And as you notice here, there is an arrow. It means that we need to bring the paper so that the corner of the paper touches the corner with an arrow. This is how you properly align any paper over here. If you have multiple pages you'd like to make a copy of, well, this opens here and the flap, the small tab, needs to be pushed to the extremity. Take your stack of paper. I can imagine I have a lot of paper here, and you're going to place it facing up. Your first page should be the one pointing up, and you're going to glide it just like that. And by the way, if you have a paper jam in this top document feeder scanner, you can always open over here and fix it. All right, now I will press the home button. I'll select copy. And now we can choose if we want a copy in black and white or in color. Down below we have, okay, if I press OK, we can scan the using the top document feeder both sides of this page and make a double-sided copy. If this is what you want, you have the options here. And over there, this is the contrast. If you don't want to change anything, just leave it like that. If you want to change more settings, there's always advanced settings where you'll be able to change more of these. For example, the paper size you're going to print on. At the end, you can press this button here and the copy will be launched. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.